Area I throw salute to Nadu welcome for football in Pidgin. After match talk how you say. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Chelsea Kondo and Liverpool Kondo. We get Oga Hope we be like say now go get Chelsea fan and you predict say this match could be draw because you talk say the last recent meetings where these two teams done they play now draws also draw soup that they play. But we'll start from Chelsea performance today because the team they under the assistant manager, interim manager, when take over control of the team since they sack Graham Potter. How you see your team performance today, Oga Hope?
My brother, I tell you, say, if they change the coach, with a new coach or an interim coach, as they call them, I tell you, say, the boys, they go showcase themselves, say, what would they play since? We have been playing just to keep the team moving. Based on the coach when they, nothing the coach, they tell them when he be say, if you watch the matter of the coach, he say, when they ask and say, waiting be the team when he be say, in go fit do for these Chelsea players to move, whether they take instruction for him, he said the players are not playing to instruction, they are playing on their own. Which me, I tell you, say, those players are playing based on their professional level as a professional players. They don't want to let the club down. They don't want to let the fans down. For their match today, you go see say there is a very big difference. Despite some errors from the interim manager in a person like Kai Havertz, see chances upon chances. This kind of person, you don't need to leave him to be there for 90 minutes. That are the error when he make for today match. But if you come for the times of the players, they play good football. But that finishing, they still they lack on that finishing. So by the time they get a substandard coach, when he be say, we know say this man is a professional, he has come to stay either 2 years, 3 years contract, and you know say this one is in job, in career. The experience, what he go to inject in the minds of the players, go make these players even step up more. For today, they play waiting sweet me, and I know say nobody the former coach did there. So they show themselves say they are not the problem of Chelsea.
So Oga Hope, you now one person went on the call for made them sack Graham Potter. It don't tell where you dey talk and say him know if you do this work for Chelsea. Finally they don't sack him, but we don't hear any names so they're on the call. So you now with this decision from the club, you think say any hope there for Chelsea to fit try to make their season better past the way they go now. So Champions League, Chelsea still there for quarterfinal. You think say any hope there for Chelsea maybe to get trophy or something?
Well, if they talk of trophy, it go lead the kind of trophy when they front ahead of Chelsea. When you say go look say whether Chelsea go pick up trophy or not. Only one trophy now remain for the season, which is the Champions League. So, and we know say this kind of a thing, they always happen to Chelsea. When Chelsea don't sack their coach like this for mid-season like this, and they are into quarterfinals, that spirit of say, Mokusi say, whether we go fit pick up, based on say, it don't happen to us before. We don't dey out of top 4. We dey 10th position thereabout. But Chelsea came from that 10th position, slot into top 4 by winning Champions League. So I am looking up to this one, say it can never be different. If the God of soccer, the God of football, in the side of Chelsea, they with them, and them as the players determine say, guy, now the only trophy will remain for us. If not, both UEFA Europa, both Conference and Champions League, we are going nowhere. They get to put all it takes as footballers. And if they put that in mind, say we can do it, they will do it.
So Chelsea next game for Premier League now against Wolves. What do you see for that match? What will be your prediction?
Well, Chelsea against Wolves. Wolves has been our wife. So I'm not seeing Wolves with this performance today. If they put up this performance today, and the coach continue with this his formation, and these players bring out their mind say they won't play, Chelsea will beat Wolves 2-1 or 2-0.
Okay. Make I ask you, before I let you go, Gao, make I ask you about Julian Nagelsmann now. Now the person where they didn't link with the Chelsea work. So you as a Chelsea fan, you think say it could be the good appointment, person where go come Chelsea, go do bunge work as Chelsea manager?
as a Chelsea manager appointing Julian, I dey see say every German coach wey come Chelsea, they prove themselves. So that man, as of on Monday, when I see say they don't sack Potter, when I did YouTube, I follow the man formation right from offhand before coming to Arubi Leipzig, before going to Bayern. With the formation of that man, the tactics of that man is attack, 3-5-2 or 3-5-1 or 4-5-1 up front. The man didn't like say Ingo sit back. He always dey advance in the position of attacking his opponent, not giving the opponent a breathing space for them to cross the field to come to his own area. So giving that man a chance based on his history of a level, as my person we don't work under Tuchel also, you understand? I believe say that man go do well. Among all the coaches now, what you be saying, Chelsea day after now, looking at Julian, looking at Jose Mourinho, looking at maybe Zinedine Zidane, among all of them, that young man is the youngest. And we need a young coach who is vibrant, a coach that can even be vibrant in the side of the players, that the players, with the kind of money they are paying them, they will not have influence over the coach. Because what thing give Graham Potter, now for him to stand by his feet as a coach to talk to those boys. So if you say, how much are they paying you? And how much are they earning? So if this man can have influence over the players, my guy, they will go far and the man will do well in Chelsea team.
All right, now, go. Thank you for your time.